Tired of plumbing bills draining your wallet? Here are 5 game-changing ways to save serious cash on plumbing. First, learn basic DIY fixes. Unclogging drains and replacing faucet washers can save you hundreds in service calls. Second, prevent problems before they start. Regular maintenance like cleaning aerators and checking for leaks costs pennies compared to major repairs. Third, shop smart for fixtures. Buy quality parts during sales, not during emergencies when you'll pay premium prices. Fourth, catch issues early. That small drip today could be a burst pipe tomorrow. Address problems when they're cheap to fix. Fifth, build relationships with local plumbers. Regular customers often get better rates and priority service. Want expert help with your plumbing? Visit plumfounded.com or call 800-716-8820.